Scoring a Band 9 in the IELTS writing section requires a high level of proficiency in English language skills, including coherence and cohesion. Coherence refers to how well your writing flows and makes logical sense, while cohesion refers to how well your ideas are connected and linked together. These two aspects are crucial for achieving a high score in the IELTS writing test. Here's how coherence and cohesion can help you achieve a Band 9 score. 1. Clear organization and structure. Your essay should have a clear structure with a well-defined introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Coherence helps ensure that your ideas are presented in a logical order, making it easy for the reader to follow your argument. 2. Logical progression of ideas. Cohesion ensures that your ideas are interconnected and progress logically from one point to the next. This makes your essay easy to understand and prevents the reader from getting confused or lost while reading. 3. Linking words and phrases. Effective use of linking words and transitional phrases helps create smooth transitions between sentences and paragraphs. This enhances the overall flow of your writing and contributes to coherence and cohesion. 4. Consistent pronoun usage. Using pronouns he, she, it, they, etc. consistently and appropriately throughout your essay helps readers understand the references without confusion. 5. Repetition of keywords. Repeating keywords or synonyms throughout your essay can help reinforce your main points and create a sense of unity in your writing. 6. Avoiding repetition. While repetition can be useful for cohesion, excessive repetition of words or phrases can negatively impact the overall quality of your writing. Finding a balance is important. 7. Paragraph development. Each paragraph should have a clear topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. This organization helps maintain coherence within individual paragraphs and throughout the entire essay. 8. Using pronouns and articles appropriately. Correct use of pronouns, e.g., he, she, it, and articles, a, and, the, helps maintain clarity and coherence by accurately identifying the subjects and objects in your writing. 9. Avoiding ambiguity. Ambiguous sentences or unclear expressions can confuse readers. Ensure that your sentences are precise and unambiguous to maintain clarity and coherence. 10. Avoiding digression. Stay focused on the topic and avoid going off topic or including irrelevant information. This helps maintain the overall coherence of your essay. To achieve a Band 9 score, you need to consistently demonstrate a high level of proficiency in both coherence and cohesion. This involves practicing these skills extensively and getting feedback from teachers or native English speakers to identify areas for improvement. Additionally, paying attention to grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure is crucial to complement your coherence and cohesion skills and achieve a top score in the IELTS writing section.